Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to be detangling my hair. So I washed my hair the day before, applied my hair product but wasn't able to detangle the hair because I was so busy. So today in this video I'm going to be detangling the hair. So first thing first, I'm going in with water because the hair is dry. So I'm just going in with water to spray the water on the hair, and after that I'm going to be walking the water into my hair, massaging the water into the hair first to make sure each strand is coated with the water. So next I'm going to be going in with a leave-in conditioner and I'm going to be applying that on the hair. Doing the same thing, I'm going to make sure to massage the leave-in conditioner into the hair to get it into the hair. So this will allow me to separate my hair easily. So right now I'm just going into work the hair product into the hair, making sure to kind of softly finger detangle the hair by gently lifting it up with my finger, as you can see right here. You can see the hair is already like stretching out by itself. I'm going in with more product, applying that on the back. The back, I sprayed a lot of water on the back section. As you can see, it's taking the product well. So right now I'm going to be going ahead to detangle the hair session by session. So since the back of the hair has a lot of water, so I don't need to add extra water or product. So I'm just going in to detangle the hair. I started by brushing the hair, walking from the tip of the hair to the roots of the hair. So you don't want to go straight into your roots and start combing out your hair. So you always want to start from the tip and work your way towards the root. So by the time you get to the root of the hair, you won't feel any tangle anymore because the tip of the hair is already detangled. So after detangling the section, I'm going into twist it. I'm just doing a loose twist to get the hair out of the way so I can work on the rest. So right here, the front of the hair needs more water. So right now I'm just going in to spray in a little bit of water to ensure that each strand is coated with the water and thereby giving me easy detangling process. So again, doing the same thing, I'm making sure to work the water into the hair first before going in with the leave-in conditioner. So right here, I'm going in with the leave-in conditioner. Doing the same thing, I'm going to be working the product into my hair, gently massaging the product into the hair. So while doing this, I'm stretching it out and also lightly finger detangling the hair, kind of pull the hair a little bit. So this will give me less work or less time when it comes to brushing the hair. Again, doing the same thing, I'm starting from the tip of the hair and working my way towards the roots of the hair. So for this last part, I'm just going in to twist it to help give it a little bit of length, since I did the same with the rest, so why not do it with the last one? So I just twist it so that way I'll have a little bit of stretch on that very section so it kind of blend well with the rest of the hair. So next I went in with the comb to brush out the hair, to use the pick comb to kind of lift it up and create the afro shape that I want for the hair. So this is it right here. This is the final result. So we've come to the end of today's video. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so that way whenever I post a new video, you will get notified. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.